Molweni bantu base-Buffalo City Metro, Eastern Cape. Ndiyabulisa. Ibuhlungu into eyenziwa yiBuffalo City kwi-ratepayers zaseBuffalo City. Into yokubhilishwa kwe-ratepayers zaseBuffalo City ridiculously so. I'm having a case with me yomama omdala une-medication efrijini due to is a chronic a person. Umasipala disconnected umbane wakhe, umcimele umbane on Sunday or not Saturday, yeah. Xa ndichekisha uyabhatala every month, ubhatala umasipala more than 3,000 rands. Une-2-bedroom flat eQuickney, East London. Cinyelwe umbane, apparently kuthiwa itotal yetyala lakhe kwamasipala it's about 15,000, but every month she is paying more than 3,000 rands. Note that we're not talking about umuntu ongabhataliyo at all. Sithetha ngomuntu obhataliswa more than 3,000 umasipala. And tell me ukuba what is it le yenza uba bhatale more than 3,000 a month for only 2-bedroom flat in Quigney? I can assure you now, for more than 3 years, not even 1 meter reader came to the property and check the readings so that they can bill or they can charge her properly. So more than 3 years, she has never seen not even 1 meter reader from Buffalo City Metro to come and take the meter readings, but is being charged or is paying more than 3,000 a month. On top of all that, they disconnected her from using electricity. She is using a medication which is in the fridge, need the fridge, and she doesn't have electricity now. Who is going to come with a solution in this issue of Buffalo City Metro? Because it's very clear the ruling party in Buffalo City Metro has totally failed the ratepayers in Buffalo City. Who should come with a solution in this matter? Can we talk about this?